Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing the tools that let Android mimic Widgetsmith, KWGT plus the Pro key, and a launcher that supports custom widgets. Once done, grant KWGT the widget and storage permissions so you can load images and fonts. Now open KWGT and choose a blank widget preset. This is your canvas. Make sure you have the image and font files ready in a folder because you will import them in the next step. You now build the look. Tap the KWGT widget to edit and add layers. Start with a background shape, then an image layer for textures, and finally text layers for time, date, or labels. Use percentage-based size and padding so the widget scales. That keeps layout consistent across screen sizes. Once you position each element, assign imported fonts and adjust color and shadow. Save the preset. This is the step where your widget truly takes shape. Finish by placing your saved preset on the home screen and resizing it to match the intended Widgetsmith style. Make sure to lock the aspect if the launcher supports it. Next, assign touch actions so tapping the widget opens apps or shortcuts. Finally, export your preset for backup. If the widget appears blank or only shows a placeholder, check KWGT storage and overlay permissions, then force stop or restart the launcher.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.